Welcome to AHA Academy. Good day everyone. In this video, we will discuss feasibility analysis. Feasibility analysis process of estimating a business ideas or project proposal to determine the suitability of potential success. And especially we will concentrate market demand, financial requirement, operational logistic and technical resource. And what are the various form of business feasibility, especially for feasibility analysis? First one, industry slash market, product or service. Another one is a finance feasibility. In addition to that, we will concentrate many feasibilities. Today we will discuss business feasibility, especially for feasibility analysis. First one, industry slash market, product or service. Another one is a finance feasibility. In addition to that, we will concentrate many feasibilities. Today we will discuss the industry as well as market feasibility. So what are the components? Economic environment, industry trend, government policy, technological advancement, and the socio-cultural factors. Here economic environment, in the sense we may consider what is our GDP rate and inflation and unemployment. And industry trend point of you ensure that industry specific trend, market future directions and the growth opportunity. The government policy, many policies there, especially for monetary policy, fiscal policy as well as trade policy. And the next one important aspect, technology advancement. Here technology advancement point of we may consider at least industry 4.0 point of what are the technology factors directly influencing related to feasibility. We may consider artificial intelligence and expert system, integrated electronics and IoT or cloud computing. Based on your business, what are the technology factors involvement is there, you kindly look into very closely. Next one, socio-cultural factors. Socio-cultural factors generally we may concentrate, and the societal trend, I mean our end user or target respondent, what are the buying behavior changes there, as well as cultural shift, in what way it seems to influencing related to industry as well as market feasibility study. In this continuation, next we will see the few more important points: environmental factor, global and market dynamics, financial market stability and demographic shift. Next one, infrastructure development. So here environmental factors, so ecological risk, so without producing huge volume of pollutions, ensure that. And the global market dynamics pointer, the overall global wise the trend pattern, how it seems to change, and especially for supply chain disruptions as well as geopolitical factors. And financial aspect, another one important point, finance point of what are the changes, the same economic factor also you try to consider. Next one, demographic shift, that's very important factor. Here the population size, age, income, and as well as long term as well as short term point of what are the changes, the demographic aspect. The last one, infrastructure development, I mean communications, especially for overall communication, how it seems to change, as well as logistic system. These are 10 important factor we may consider industry slash market feasibility study. So in this significance, another one important points, product or service feasibility study. So what are the factors we may consider? Market demand, target audience, competitive analysis. Next, product slash service uniqueness. Here market demand, in the sense consider especially for customer needs and preference, and a target audience point of the segmental aspect point of, and competitive analysis, how many close rivalry they are following your pricing strategy, as well as technology aspect, what are the things you kindly ensure that, and as well as ensure that what is your USP related to your product as well as service aspect. The last one, the technical. So in this continuation, the few more very important aspects we supposed to consider. The one is cost structure, second one profitability potential and supply chain feasibility, and legal and regulatory compliance, and customer feedback. These are total 10 important aspects we may consider related to product as well as service feasibility. Another one important feasibility, that's well-known factor, finance feasibility. The financial feasibility, capital requirement. Second one, funding source. Next one, revenue projections. Next, break-even analysis. and cash flow management. Your capital requirement in the sense where we can gain as well as stopping nature and marketing and ensure sufficient funds is available or not. Based on your business process, what are the major functional area you try to identify? Based on that, funds available or not, you kindly ensure that. And where we can gain the funding source in the sense, one is we may consider financial institutions, second one venture capitalists, and another one angel investors. And as well as you must do your proper projection aspect within the 3 years or 4 years or 5 years, what is our return on investment. Another one important aspect, break-even analysis, where we are standing related to our business after the 1 year, whether exactly break even or above break even or below break even, what kind of strategy we are supposed to follow. The last very important aspect, cash flow statement, I mean the management, the flow of cash, especially our business point of where we are standing. So these are 5 important aspects, and addition to that, consider this 5 more importance also. First one is operating cost, second profit margin, third one risk assessment, fourth one return on investment, the last one financial ratios. So these are 10 important factors we might be considered, especially for financial aspect.